Hello, Sam Owens here, and another tip on your 2020 Mini Cooper, and this happens to be the Countryman model. And here's something that you may never need, but if you do, you need to know something about it a little bit because it might help you. Sometimes you may get stuck somewhere and there may be someone that can help. They have a tow strap or something or other to get you out of a situation that you can't move out of. You don't really need to be towed, but if you do need to be towed, you will definitely need this. Somewhere in your vehicle, and should be one of these, maybe in the back, under the seat, or what have you. It's a tow hook. And it comes like this, and actually in the kit usually there's a screwdriver also. I'm not going to even pull that out. Right there is the tow hook. It's threaded on one end with a hook on the other. And it goes right in there on the front. On the back, on the passenger side, is another place to put this. There's not one on the other side. There's only one place to install this, but that's enough to pull you out. Now, to show you how this comes out, they have a little arrow on here pointing up. You're supposed to push in on this and it just snaps, and I'm going to show you that it's connected right here with a little connector where you don't lose it, and you're just unhooking these little tabs right here and a tab up there, and it gives you access to screw this in. Okay, now if you look up underneath there, you're going to see the threaded area that's right in there. You just put this in here like this and gently find the location that allows you to screw it in, and you're not hurting anything. This is into metal and it's a secure deal. Put it in tight, and it doesn't matter if it lines up any particular way because you're going to mount a hook there and pull this baby out. Or for the tow truck, he's going to be able to grab hold of here and pull you up onto the tow truck. So you should always try to be prepared as best you can. And I'm learning this. This is the first time I've done this, and I'm preparing for the event that I might need to use this. I'm sharing this information with you and many other things that I find out. So subscribe to my channel, come back frequently, and we'll learn this Mini Cooper, okay? All right. Now, once you're finished with the tow hook and you need to get it out, I'm going to show you how to get the little panel back in. So, unscrew. That doesn't sound good, but it's not a problem. Okay, and then you're going to put it back in your little package. Now, you just simply push this around, push this kind of up, and push in these bottom pieces, and there you go. Once you push in on the bottom, you won't lose it anymore. It's locked in. Okay, that's it. Information you learn on this particular one may help you on your other Mini Cooper models. Okay, all right, talk to you later.